Hey everyone, Wade here from Tutoring. It's always nice to join you. Today I'm going to be taking you through a question on the history of DNA, which was taken from the February-March 2018 DB exam. So let's jump in. This is a match the columns, or select the option for each of the questions in the one column. It says, indicate whether each of the statements in column 1 applies to either A, B, or both A or B, or none in the second column. Write A only, B, both A and B, or none next to the correct number. Right, so the first one contains the sugar ribose. Right, DNA or RNA or both. DNA contains the sugar deoxyribose, D for deoxyribose, and B contains the RNA contains the sugar of ribose. So the option is B, ribose. Ribose is the sugar, so RNA. 1.3.2, chromosomes align at the equator. Is it A, metaphase 1, B, metaphase 2, or both, or none? So metaphase 1 and metaphase 2, they consist of chromosomes. They will line up at the equator in both. So our option is A and B. But just to say that you have an understanding, they both consist of chromosomes. In meiosis 2, so metaphase 2, the spindle fibers will actually separate the chromosomes. So it will split the two chromatids apart, leaving us with haploid cells at the end of meiosis 2. 1.3.3, produce the first X-ray image of the DNA molecule. The key word here is produced the first X-ray image. Is it Rosalind Franklin or Watson and Crick? Rosalind Franklin produced the first X-ray image of the cell, so the option is A. And Watson and Crick, it's not Watson and Crick, but they did examine the X-ray cell of the DNA, and they actually built the double helix molecule in like a 3D figure. But yeah, Rosalind Franklin was the first person who produced the X-ray image of the DNA molecule. And there we have it. That's a quick 6 easy marks. So before I go, don't forget you can send us your question and we'll respond with a personalized video. But for more epic videos like this, check out our website, which you'll find in the description below. Just a quick shout out to our sponsor, Style Balustrating. You can find all their details down below. But until next time, stay epic.